Welcome back to Saturday Sports Special. Switching the focus now to football, as newly appointed coach of Waterhouse, Marcel Gale, met with his new team ahead of the 2018 Red Stripe Premier League season on Saturday, after it was recently announced that he would take over the head coaching job left vacant by Donovan Duckey. And with the transfer window open until August 31, Gale says he will likely be looking at available players in order to try to strengthen the Jerusalem-based team.
Qualities at Waterhouse. The last year there was a beaten finalist. But there are some areas where I think need strength. So I was focusing on those areas to strengthen those areas coming for the season.
And Gale, who served as assistant coach for Waterhouse in the recent past, says he understands that expectations will be high from the fans following last season when they ended as runners-up in the league.
Pressure is always, when you're doing football, football is pressure in itself. And I give myself a hard time. So I think the pressure out from the sporting, they really shake me. But I know that Waterhouse spectators are very passionate and they love their team dearly. Likewise, I love Waterhouse with a passion. So from long as I get things right, from long as I do things right, and I get a favorable result and turn around things, I guess everybody will be pleased.
Gale also gave credit to his former employers, UWIFC, where he and the team enjoyed success in the Premier League for the last 3 seasons.
I'm so grateful for UWI. UWI, what experience I've gained at UWI by large and far is paramount, and I'm grateful for the University of West Indies, Mr. Myers and Neville Bell, who give me the opportunity.